freaking crazy. We need to try to figure out what's causing all this water to run on the road. We can't, we need to stop it before it gets even worse than it already is. So that's what we're gonna do right now, is get this water to stop running down the road.
Ooh.
Yeah, and the sun's coming out right here.
No, that slowed down. Did you hear it?
Is that what it was?
Yeah.
Ooh, nice. That was just from taking the snow off of there. I'm thinking it's blocked under here, because this is where it starts overflowing.
Can you see where it's overflowing?
Well, it's all overflowing here, right? So I think it's because it's blocked right there. That's what we need to release it.
Oh, free. There it is right there. I can see it.
Oh, okay. That would make sense. So we found the problem. That log, it's been sitting there for a while. I mean, it's already all rotten and everything. It's been sitting there for a while, but it was sitting across the little creek.
Probably came from this here. It was already rotten in
Oh.
one of the storms before the snow came in, and we didn't notice it.
Yep. And then with the water running, maybe got clogged up with dirt.
Yep.
But we have no more water running onto the road, which is good, but that's gonna take, wow. Yeah, there's a lot of damage to the road up here.
And
It goes all the way down.
Yeah.
And we were just up here. Today is Saturday. And we went down and we went into town on Thursday afternoon. So this is just a matter of a day.
A day and a half.
Day and a half. Yeah, right around a day and a half. And look what happened to the road.
Oh.
Well, thank goodness we stopped the water from creating more damage. But
I might be able to get the tractor and dig out along that side there to make it somewhat passable, because once you just get down that little slope right there, it's not as undercut as this.
Mr. Murphy did give us a gripping joint visit today.
Damn, I wanted Starbucks.
I'm going to show you the damage that's on the road. We're down here now, coming up with the game plan. So let me show you where it started, and then we'll walk down the road. So this is where we got stuck. This log here was across this way, blocking the water, and the water was running down here. So we were able to stop the water from running down the road yesterday to prevent any more damage. But so that's where it starts. You can see how deep it is. And goes all the way down here. So this is our neighbor Dallas. He's down here helping us. What he's doing is knocking out, what do you call it? Knocking out the,
Breaking the shelf off.
yeah. He's breaking the shelf off so Stuart can see where not to drive the tractor. Stuart is trying to remove snow here, so hopefully he can drive around to a spot that we need to get fill dirt. So let's walk down the road. This here isn't too bad, doesn't seem like. We don't know if it's undercut anywhere there. You can see all this here along the side of the road, which is no big deal as long as it's not undercut underneath. It is a little bit. You can see in there it's undercut a little bit. Can't tell how far back it goes. But it doesn't look like it drops down as much as the part that we got stuck in. There we are in the middle of the road again. It's undercut, but not as deep. So even if we were to drive on it and it fell, we shouldn't have that big of a problem like we did yesterday. Keeps on going. Not as deep though, it doesn't look like, but it's hard to tell. But you can see definite undercut in there. Walk down here further. We've got some holes, and you can see that's undercut, and that's more than just a few inches. I don't know. Stuart's thinking it'll be okay to possibly drive the tractor on it to get down here to a spot where we can get some good fill. Yeah, it might just be a few inches. This is crazy how far down it went, and this just happened in a day and a half. We came down on a Thursday, came back up, had no problems, and then came down on Saturday to get water, and that's when the truck got swallowed up. Look at that. That feels hollow. I better not walk there. Wow. Wow. That's crazy. I didn't walk down this far yesterday. I didn't realize it came all the way down here, but that's not as deep. Yep, and then goes right on down there. That's a lot of damage in a day and a half. It's amazing what water can do. Absolutely amazing. All right, so I'm gonna go back up and help shovel or do whatever I can do to help out.
want to dump this one right here? How deep is it though? I'll dump this one right here. So this is what we got. We are done for now. We are done until after breakup and after mud season is done. The ground is still frozen. So there's not a lot we can do with frozen ground. Not a lot we're going to do with frozen ground. We don't have the equipment up here. I'm not gonna rent the equipment. I'm not gonna pay anybody to come up here and do it. So what we ended up doing was, this is where the truck got stuck. I got a bucket of boulders. I was able to scavenge up and put them down in here, and we just kind of filled in with some sand because it wasn't frozen. And yeah, it's actually going to be kind of funny. All this stuff here is probably just going to wash out in the next couple weeks because we got rain coming. So we'll see what happens, but we got room to pass. We can get out, we can get in. So kind of what our thought process is, that we're just gonna wait till after breakup is done. Wait till after mud season is done. We will deal with the road, and we'll just wait till summer to start working on the road. Not really a lot we can do. I mean, we can't get any rock trucks back here because there's road limits or road restrictions up right now. So it's not going to do any good to get back here or try and call them and get some rock back here. I could do it with my pickup, but I'm not going to do freaking 24 yards in my pickup if we're going to do it right. You know what I mean? So we got the bad spots taken care of. Everybody that lives up here can get in and out. Everybody that lives up here is happy. That's all that matters. So anyway, guys, that's what we did. That's where the truck was stuck. We just kind of went all the way down, and in the bad spots we put sand. We're not going to worry about this spot here because we can get by, but this was a pretty gnarly little hole here. Just threw some sand in there, and then there's a couple more going down the road, but most of the water went down the middle of the road. And yeah, guys, pretty interesting. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Tell me how dumb I am for doing it all wrong. I like that. You know, when we put out the other video, I was doing lots of stuff wrong. But anyway, that's okay, guys. Take it easy. Have a good one. See ya.